Am I the a-hole for screaming at my husband for bringing a puppy home after my 11-year-old dog just died? My German Shepherd dog Roxy recently passed away at 11 years old. Towards the end I was carrying her from room to room and one morning I woke up to find that she had passed away during her sleep. Even though I knew that she was getting old and eventually she would die, her death hit me extremely hard. I cried for days and depression took over my life. I still worked, went to the gym, etc., but I sometimes would forget to eat or shower in the morning and my husband would make sure to remind me. I became visibly skinnier but I still managed to show myself as happy and full of life when I went out with my friends or just went out in general. They did ask me if I was okay because I had just lost my dog but I would always put a smile on and reply with I'm okay because I know she's up in dog heaven or something similar. Only my husband saw my depressive side and he was concerned all the time and tried to cheer me up by using his great sense of humor, one of the best qualities about him. He even brought over a 7-week-old German Shepherd puppy who looked exactly like how Roxy did when she was 2 months old from one of his friends whose female dog had given birth 7 weeks ago and he must have seen the joy on my face when I played and cuddled with the puppy. Roxy passed away 3 weeks ago and the visit from the puppy was 1.5 weeks ago. 4 days ago I went on a 2-day work trip. When I returned home, I was greeted by the same puppy that my husband had brought 8 days ago. My husband came to me with a huge smile on his face and asked how was my trip and everything. All I could focus on was the puppy and I asked him what was the puppy doing here? He smiled even more and said that he saw how much I loved the puppy so he bought her for $5,600 at a discount from his friend as a present to me. I immediately asked him why would you do this? You know I'm not over Roxy, but you wanted to